Hello you guys, it's Krissy and Marie back with another video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, then what are you doing? No, really, what are you doing? You might as well hit that subscribe button so you can most definitely join the family too, because we lit. And that's how Mary had a little lamb.
Life without you been feeling kind of strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell.
Okay, y'all, so we're just gonna get straight to this video. As you can see in this title down below, I'm going to just be doing a beginners friendly wig install. And the wig that I'm going to be using is so old. I re-dyed it, revamped it. It's from Virgo hair. I think I got this hair maybe like, I want to say 2 years ago. It had to be 2 years ago, and the hair is still lovely. So we're going to install it. I already did my ball cap method. As y'all can see, it's melted for sure. Only thing I need to do is just clean around the perimeter with some alcohol. But I'm a little nervous because the ball cap that I use is a darker shade than what I normally use. I did not have time to go to the hair store. Besides, the hair store was closed by the time I was going to get there. So we're just going to get straight to this video because I don't want to be talking y'all's head off. So stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so I waited to the end of this video to talk to y'all because I've been playing other audios. It was so hard because I'm so used to talking throughout the videos, but I'm trying to have videos that are not too long because I just be wanting to. Yep. So as y'all can see, this hair, I done had this hair for 2 years, baby. 2 whole years. We're gonna hard comb it. Ooh, look at it. Look at Krissy. Y'all, I really had this hair for 2 years. I've been really taking care of my hair. Like, whenever I get hair like this, I don't straighten it because you gotta treat virgin hair as if it's your own. You put too much heat to your hair, what it's gonna do? Break off. This human hair, so if you put too much heat to it, what is it gonna do? Break off. But yes, y'all, this is my wig install. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I don't like this baby hair right here. I don't know. I think I did it too thick, but it's really not even noticeable considering that it's a side part. So, something is in my eye. I ain't got on no type of makeup. All I got on is lip gloss. And I feel like I look like a patient. Like I look sick because I'm used to having on lashes. But I was like, I'm going to take a break from the lashes today and do a video without it. So y'all can see my natural beauty. Nothing but lip gloss on. Period. Skin looking nice. Flawless. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're still watching, if you are, you the bomb. You the GOAT. For real. But like I say always, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. Comment down below what type of content y'all want to see next because I'm trying to be more consistent. But I need y'all help on what to put out. But you already know my motto. If you're a true K-baby, stay lifted and stay encouraged. Always, don't let nobody ruin your day. Or I'm going to beat them up. And we don't want no problems. Love you, K-babies.
You blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. I miss the way that you look in my eyes, man. That's why I'm getting back with you, girl. Keep on talking about my